This is Visite. It comes from French word means visited. It's a place sharing and tracking app. In this application, you can share places which will be shown to all users, which list them which can be only seen by you, share Markdown blog post, and send messages or even like other users' profile. And to enhance the user experience, there is automatic place search functionality, map rendering, tourism blogs and recommendations only admin can post, and lastly, public chat box for users to interact with each other. To use the application, new users will have to register by entering an email, password, username, a short bio, and a display picture. Every form in this application has validation from front-end and back-end too. Pre-existing users can just log in via login page. After login, users will be able to see users page. From here you can see another user's shared places and posts. These tiny circles are the place count of the user. This means he has visited 10 urban places, 10 nature, sea and others. This is profile like count. This is shared post count. And this is personalized achievement badge. It differs according to the places the user have visited. This is the logic behind the user's badge. Now let's see another user's shared places. This is how a single user's page looks. Below here you can see profile information, and further you can see his visited places and posts. Shared places will have an option to see it on the map. You can also see user shared blog post by clicking on post. You can like other users' profile by clicking on like profile button and send them text of your liking. You can see current user by clicking on profile button. From here you can add places or post. In add place there is an automatic place search bar which lets you search a place anywhere from the world. Further you have to give a title, description and type of place, that is urban, nature, sea or other. Provide an image for the place and select if you want it to be in wishlist or visited list from this switch button. You can also change this after adding place. For now, I'll make it a wishlist place. After submitting, you will find the place in wishlist. And by clicking on this switch button, you can make it a visited place. Also, one thing to remember, wishlist places do not affect the place count of user profile. You can add posts from the same page you have added places. Give it a nice title, description and a markdown content, tags which are separated only by a comma. Select an image and then submit. Now in post tab you can view your added post. Users also get the option to edit or delete places and the posts. Last tab in user profile is message tab. Here when hovered over profile picture you can see sender's name, and when clicked on message you can visit his profile. Another great feature in this application is the global zone. It is like an extension of the main application because it uses different database, not MongoDB but Cloud Firestore. Here only admin can post the blog post from the hidden route. Only admin can open this route, normal users can't reach here. After opening this route, admin has to log in with a Google ID. After that, he can send data to Cloud Firestore. Firestore will check the Google ID and will only take the data if the ID is mentioned in the security rule. So we can say that admin privileges are protected from front-end and back-end too. Last feature that I would like to mention is public chat room, where all registered users can share their experiences or interact with each other. Since it uses Cloud Firestore to store messages, all messages will be shown in real time. So this was Visite. Was it good? You can tell me in comment section. Also if you have any suggestion for improvement, you can write that too. I'll try to do my best. Well, that was all about the application. Now something about the creator. I'm a professional full-stack web developer specialized in MERN stack. I like to make beautiful and powerful real-world web applications with a lot of cool features. In short, I'm Arun Shekhar, just a guy who's a developer for fun of it.